Hello everyone, today we're going to be going over our Thermador Liberty Induction Cooktop. This cooktop is very responsive, versatile, and flexible, making it very easy for anybody to use. There are certain types of pots and pans that you can use on your induction cooktop. And how do you know your pots or pans are induction friendly? The best way is to grab a magnet. Put it on the back of your pan or pot. It should stick and it should be pretty solid on there, not too loose. Here I do have a wok that's induction friendly, and I do have sauce pots and a teppanyaki pan. Sometimes pots and pans in the back, when you buy them, it will say induction friendly. Our Liberty Induction Cooktop has 3 large cooking zones, and this makes it very versatile for you to utilize larger pots and pans. It also has automatic pan recognition, so when you're moving your pots and pans from one spot or one cooking zone to the other, it automatically reads your pan. Your Liberty Induction Cooktop is going to give you the versatility to use 2 zones, the left and the right. So on the right, I can either use 1 pot or 2 pots at the same time, or I have the flexibility to use joint split mode or the function to fully combine these 2 zones and cook on my teppanyaki pan. Your Liberty Induction Cooktop is going to have a setting called MoveMode. And MoveMode allows you to freely move your pot and pan on any of the cooking zones, keeping or detecting the original setting that you just moved your pan from. Your Liberty Induction Cooktop also has a setting called HeatShift. And HeatShift allows you to move your pot and pan from bottom to top or top to bottom, moving your setting from 9 to 5 to 1 without having to touch your induction cooktop. PowerBoost allows you to boil soups, stocks, water a lot faster and hotter than power level 9. It actually increases your heat by 50% by putting it on any of these cooking zones. PanBoost heats up food at a temperature higher than the cooktop's highest power level, and it's great for searing steaks, fish, or vegetables. It's on for a very short period of time to preheat the saute pan, then it defaults back to level 9. To activate PanBoost, push the PowerBoost button twice. Cooksmart has 5 fry levels, and these fry levels are actually activated by a sensor that is in our cooktop. And this sensor maintains and controls the temperature, and it keeps your oils from burning, and it also saves you energy. Cooksmart has been configured to be used with our proprietary pans. Any other pans might overheat. Also, when using Cooksmart, start off with level 1, 2, and then configure it to your requirements. Level 1 is suitable for sweating vegetables, cooking in oils that have a low smoke point, like butter, margarine, extra virgin olive oil, and it's also great for reducing sauces or even making stocks. Right now on this section, I actually have cream. I'm reducing cream for a cream sauce. Level 2 is used for things such as French toast, omelets, hash browns, while using lower smoke point oils, such as butter, margarine, lard, or extra virgin olive oil. Right now we do have a French toast here. It's been cooking on one side for a few minutes. We're gonna give it a little flip here. Should be browned off on one side. That is beautiful. We're gonna flip it. Level 3 is ideal for frying things such as fish, making pancakes, or larger pieces of hamburger meat, or even pork chops. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop some pancakes on our cooktop, and I do have this set on level 3. Level 4 is ideal for cooking things such as veal cutlets, vegetables, or ground beef. Now, what I have here is a chicken cutlet that we've actually battered on level 4 on Cooksmart. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick flip, golden brown, and it maintains that temperature beautifully. Level 5 is ideal for frying at high temperatures, things like fried cooked potatoes or a medium rare steak. Right now I do have some tortilla chips. They're actually good to go. Nice and golden and brown.